Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with TD Ameritrade to set up secure authentication. Beginner guide. To register with TD Ameritrade, begin by visiting the official TD Ameritrade website. Look for the Open Account button on the home page and click it. You will be directed to a new page where you can start the registration process. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Next, you'll need to provide your social security number. Be sure to enter your date of birth and address as required. Once you've filled in the necessary fields, click Continue to proceed. On the following page, you'll be asked to set your account type. Select the account type that best suits your investment needs. Review the terms and conditions and check the box to agree. Click Continue to move to the next step. Now, you will receive a prompt asking you to create a username and password. Choose a username that is easy for you to remember. For security, create a strong password using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. After setting your username and password, click Continue. You will then be prompted to set up security questions for additional account protection. Select questions and provide answers that are easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Click Continue to finalize your security settings. Now, you will be directed to the secure authentication setup. Choose your preferred method of secure authentication, such as text message or email verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your chosen authentication method. If you're using two-factor authentication, complete the verification process by entering the code sent to your device. Once verified, you will be taken to the account overview page. Review your account information to ensure everything is correct. If all information is accurate, click Submit to complete your registration. You will receive a confirmation email once your registration is successful. Congratulations, you have now registered with TD Ameritrade and set up secure authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.